Well, hello artists, welcome to the impossible kingdom where we're gonna be drawing straight out of your imagination. You can draw along with me, gather your tools, your favorite art supplies, whatever you want to draw with. It can be regular paper, whatever, color pencils, color crayons, anything. I have some watercolor paper I'm going to be using. This is 140 pound or 300 grams, if you know what grams are. And it's 9 by 12. And then I'm going to be using Sketch-A-Moley to come up with some ideas. So I'm going to flip 3 of these cards. Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. Put that down. See what we got. So the ones that are facing towards me, let's see. I'll do that. Tarantula, bacon, eggs, ice cube. Here we go. Better really push my thinking here. I have my cheat sheet. I'm gonna draw a quick sketch, 30 seconds, just to kind of see where I want to go with this. An ice cube. You know what? I'm not gonna do the ice cube. I feel like doing just tarantula and bacon and eggs. See where that goes. The middle of the egg, and then it's gonna have the white thing. Maybe that, the bacon is what's doing that. And then this has the crazy eyes back here. Ooh, I don't know if I want to eat this one. This one's gonna be a weird one. That, 2, yeah, that works. Okay, so I'm gonna do, okay, so see, sometimes just take a quick thumbnail for me. It just takes a quick sketch to kind of get what I think I want. If you're ready, I'm gonna transfer it to my watercolor paper. Stuff's a little more expensive, so here we go. So this is gonna start like this, the middle yellow of the egg, right? And then around that, you have the, usually have that white skirt of egg. And then it's gonna have a big highlight here. And then this is also going to have the creepy little eyes. Okay, and then the mandible, or not the mandibles, the bacon will be here, and it bends out here like that. There you go. Okay, so 2 pieces of bacon. He has how many legs does the tarantula have? 4. But who said 4? It's 8. Alright, and if anybody ever makes you this bacon and egg, you better run, because it's kind of spooky. Okay, so we have this. We have 2 more back here, like that. I'm gonna put 1 more in the back. Really, the hard part of this is getting all the bends to kind of work together. Okay. Okay. So he has 8 legs. The salt and pepper are his eyes. Alright. Looks friendly. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger up here, just so he's got a little more business up here. And then, yeah, I think we're ready. And maybe he'll be on a picnic here. So, yeah, that works. All right, cute enough. And you want tarantula mouth there now? They have their little mandibles up there. No, let's just leave them. Let's just leave it just like this. I like it like it is. Mouth would be too obvious, see? Then it's too obvious. All right, so I'm gonna use this marker as a Sharpie that I only used once on another video. So, we have that. Gives some nice lines. Puts out a lot of color. You don't have to worry about the it bleeding in the water if you add water. Okay, and then these eyes are gonna be black here, and then I might add a highlight with my white. So I got 8 eyes. And tarantulas actually have like a pair of eyes set back a little bit, so you're right. You tarantula purists out there who are saying tarantula doesn't have all 8 eyes like that, you're correct. Okay, so this will be fun to color in because we've left ourselves enough wiggle room in here to kind of, like these black lines are pretty thick, but usually it makes for better coloring because it gives a nice border. Kind of like a coloring book. If you make a coloring book and you know you're going to color it in, or not if you make a coloring book, but if you have a coloring book, you want those lines to be kind of thick because it holds all your color. Okay, last piece of bacon legs. All right, we have that, and then I'm going to, with a real thin one here, I'm going to add a couple little details. Down the middle of bacon, usually you have this thing of fat. Sorry for those vegetarians out there, but this bacon is not that tasty, so don't worry. It's tarantula bacon, made with 100% tarantula legs. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna get the coloring. We are gonna be done in just a second here. So this yellow, so again, these crayons are awesome because they spread the color really easily. So the paper accepts the color very easily, and it goes on pretty quickly. So I like that. A little more yellow out there. You know, the bacon. This is all going to be white, but I'm going to make it just a little bit of yellow. So I forgot to erase some of this. Some people don't use erasers, some people do. You need to do what you want to do with your erasing or not. You need to figure out your style, all that. I can show you my style all day, but it doesn't mean that it's going to be your style. So you can use this kind of stuff and make the art that you like to make, which is probably going to be totally different than anybody else likes to make. And that is good. That's how you find different things in life. All right, bacon. What color is this bacon? I'm getting hungry here. Bacon. I want my bacon to be a little more red, so I'm only going to put some of this bacon brown in here, but I'm still getting hungry. Time for some bacon. Obviously, it's vegetarian bacon. You know that. Not advocating for the harming of anything. Pink. But I am advocating for some good looking bacon. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is gonna be like a pinkish, doesn't look like bacon. Sure. And you gotta remember to leave them centers white. At least that's how I remember bacon. I don't know, I haven't looked at bacon since I started this drawing. There's that. And then this picnic blanket will be amazing because, I don't know, amazing is probably a little overkill. It's one of those top shelf words, doesn't really mean that. Let's just say this picnic blanket will be kind of neat. There. Yeah, that's fair. Kind of neat. Got the checkerboard going. We're almost done, people. I'm gonna add a little water to this, and before you know it, you'll be on to your next video. Thank you very much for even tuning in. While we're sitting here for a second, be sure to like and subscribe and all the other stuff if you want more weird, funny videos. Weird art. Okay, I'm gonna start with the lightest thing is this egg yellow, and again, I get it, it's not supposed to be this yellow, but I needed some color in the white, you know? What am I supposed to do? No color? That's a little bit too yellow. I'm gonna take a little out. All right, now I'm gonna go on to the bubble up here, the yellow yolk. That's Y-O-L-K. All right, I'm gonna color straight over this. And like I do sometimes, I'm gonna go back in with some white as a cheat to put these highlights in. So we have a white surround, got the yellow in. Now we're on to the bacon. Poor little tarantula. He never knew it was just gonna become bacon. How many of you out there have actually eaten a tarantula? How about that? Now that is pretty tough, I would think. The weirdest thing I ever ate, who knows? Weirdest thing I ate, probably alligator, maybe? That's pretty weird, right? Tastes like chicken. All right, this bacon is sizzling. Stuff's coming to life out here. And then when we're getting closer here, I'm gonna shadow under the bacon so that the backs are darker under there. Try to give little shadow hints wherever I can, obviously. All right, so we've got another bacon. This leg bacon. Leg bacon? Bacon legs. So we've got this. Got that. Bacon's looking yummy. Give me enough. That's good. Alright. And it's gonna be on a picnic blanket. What could possibly go wrong? Alright. So we have one more bacon leg. We are cooking with grease now. And the last thing we're gonna do on this is this this picnic blanket is epic. I don't know if it's epic. Epic, another top shelf word. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is epic. Alright, so the last thing I want to do is add a little bit of shadows. So I'm gonna use this gray, see what it looks like. Under the, maybe we'll use black. Let's see, where's black? So I'm painting straight on this brush like this. It picks up the paint nicely. Might be a little dark, a lot dark. So be sure to rub off the stuff you don't need. See how it gives a little better definition. You can kind of tell something's under there. Oh, too dark. Okay. This. That's in. That's in. Oh. Last leg here. Okay. The base here. The color in this bacon. Okay. There's that. Now I'm going to give a little shade around this whole thing. It works. On the top side. This one I am using gray here on the white so it doesn't get too dark. On the top side up here, put some gray. Okay. That works. And then all around the actual egg blobbity, that's the official term, egg blobbity. Alright, getting close. Okay, so there's that. He's good. We use a little bit of his white, his Posca. Whoa. So we go 1, 2, 3. Little eye highlights on there. Okay. And then on here, let's see my original plan. Like this. There's that. Now around the edge maybe. Make sure you know this is white. That's good. Whatever helps your art to stand as you want it to stand. Alright, so this stuff, that's white. That thing, this thing. Alright, I think we're done. So, you know what? I think I'm gonna put one more thing on here. So definition, I'm gonna try and make this leg a little bit thicker. Looks a little bit phony baloney, but hey, it's a tarantula bacon, you know? And the reason I'm doing that is so that it gives a little definition from the, to me it looks like it's kind of blending into the picnic blanket a little bit. All right. So I think we're good. Awesome. This is what I came up with for my bacon and eggs tarantula. Hopefully you came up with something fun and edible looking. Who knows? I'd eat that. Come on. It's just a couple of eyeballs on there. No big deal. Not too scary. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching The Impossible Kingdom. Make sure you like and subscribe and whatever if you want to see more of these videos. Thank you so much. See ya.